So we are in Niigata Prefecture, and we are staying at a ryokan, and it is called Satoyama Jujo. The actual main ryokan itself has 12 rooms. It's located about 6 kilometers or about 13-minute drive away. And so this one is a special, I guess, accommodation called the House Izumi. It's a standalone villa with dedicated parking and a dedicated room attendant. Niigata is known as Yukiguni, or snow country. It really snows in the winter. A lot of ski resorts, nice powder, very and also it's the renowned for awesome rice. Anyway, so this is what's called a kominka. It's a restored kind of old house, and they turned it into a bespoke guest room. And so you enter this way through this small little door, and let's take a look. Okay. おっとっとっとっとっと。はあ、こんな感じね。よろしくお願いします。あ、まだ案内してなかったんだ。あ、はい、はい、どうぞ。お願いします。こちらがリビングルームでございまして。This is the living room. 各部屋、暖房はついているんですけれども、夜もし寒いようでしたら、こちらのペレットストーブ。Let's see. This is a sunken hearth called irori in Japanese. And you can see up here, kind of a thatched roof. And she's explaining how the heating system works. Anyway, soなんだって？So again, the same view similar view that I showed you before. Okay. I will go ahead and explain. それは何？あ、そんなところに部屋があったんだ。It's a lounge area. テントウムシじゃないわ。なんていう虫だったっけこれ。こいつとこいつ。虫。カメムシ。こことあと窓にもできる。カメムシさんが結構多くてですね。多いんだ。あの中にああ。カメムシキャッチの方法が。You can see the attention to detail. はい、どうぞ。This is a tatami room. And let's explore further. Let me take my backpack off. Hold on one second. Hopefully there's no shaky cam in the meantime. I'm going to sit down and take it off. Okay. There we go. Now I'm lighter on my feet. Okay, so let's keep going. Where will this lead us? Again, this is where we came into. It's kind of a small little door that you need to kneel to get into. So this is, I guess, a dining room. And, oh, this leads upstairs. But before we do that, let's back up. What is this? Ah, a toilet. I'm sure there's more than one here in this room. Okay, and then this is the kitchen and I guess a counter dining area for people who want to host guests. And then there's a hallway here. Let's see what's over here. Looks like this might be the dead end. Oh, there's a laundry. Okay, I don't know where this leads. Might be like the water boiler. Oh no, it's legitimate vanity area. Oh no, this is the onsen, or the bath. So this is the shower, and this is the bath. Let's go outside. Aha! So I did make the right call by going out here. I think that's the real onsen. So the House Izumi is the only accommodation at Satoyama Jujo where the open air bath, it's called Echigo Yukiguni, a special type of onsen, hot springs that they get here, with a view. And except that it's 60 degrees Celsius, so it's piping hot, so they do have to add a little bit of water, but that's not uncommon for onsen baths where the source spring is too hot to handle naturally. So, okay, so that is that. Let's go back inside again. The bathroom, the wash basin with the vanity. Okay, and then let's go back. And let's go upstairs. So, 今お風呂見た。露天風呂。Okay, so we go upstairs. All right, let's go. Okay. Let's oversee the dining area. Okay. And then there's a door here. Ooh, and this is the bedroom. Let's zoom out. The work desk. Sitting area. Another view of the first floor. And then looks like I'm guessing this is an upstairs bathroom, and it is, with a shower, vanity, and a toilet. Okay. I believe that's everything, but let's ask her if that is all. Go back down. So I guess this is it. Unless there's some other nooks and crannies that I am missing. だからこっちがお風呂で、でトイレがあって2階がベッドルームですよね。なんか他に隠れ部屋あるのかな。隠れ部屋。それが全部ね。これは何でしょうか。
南魚沼のお米を使ったおせんべいとおかきですね。
So different rice crackers and chips using rice from Minamiuonuma, which is the area that Satoyama Jujo is.
株式会社自由人のオリジナルですね。里山十条の。
Oh, this is it's ここで作られたものなんですか。これがそうなんですか。他のは違うところから。これ全部ここ。
全部自社製品というか。
いや、南魚沼のお米使ったものですか。
作られたもの。
いや、すごいね。So it's made here at Satoyama Jujo with Minamiuonuma rice. Impressive. せんべいとあられとかおかけ大好きなのね。彼女。OK。はい。So this is Satoyama Jujo, the House Izumi. Hope you enjoyed. So the one thing I just discovered it. So this is the outdoor bath. This is the view again of the landscape. Is over here there's a door, and it's actually leads to a sauna. Sauna with a view. Nice and heated up out here. Good for winter. Again, this is a snow country known for just its snow and good skiing. So I think that wraps it up. This is the House Izumi at Satoyama Jujo. Private house. And breakfast is served in that dining counter that I showed earlier, and the dinner is in the main restaurant. So they shuttle guests over there to the main building. And the times are 5 p.m. or 7:30. Okay, so that's Satoyama Jujo. Sugoi na.
雪が降ってきたところなんで、山もすごい
ね
綺麗です。
松浦さん、これは何でしょう。
こちらはケーキが酒粕のチーズケーキ。
酒粕チーズケーキ。はい。
こちらが紅茶なんですけれども、新潟県の村上市というところにございます雪国紅茶という。
雪国、村上市雪国。
村上のお茶ですね。最北端のお茶の。
面白い。これ聞いたこれ。
何ですか。
チーズケーキで酒粕の里山十条特製の
酒粕チーズも入ってる。
チーズも入ってます。酒粕
で発酵させてある。
でこの紅茶もローカルのもんだって。
山形県との県境くらいにある村上市っていう、ここから同じ新潟とはいえ結構遠いんですけど、同じ新潟県でやってらっしゃる。